How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to do an unboxing video and share with all of you some of the stuff that I've had come in. But before we get into that, still doing the 1,000 subscriber merch giveaway. This is the shirt. All you gotta do is do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also follow our socials on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you're looking for any parts or accessories, visit us on our website. Links are in the description below, and you can actually email us here. Also wanted to give a huge shout out to our customers that have been ordering parts from us. Thank you very much. I know we're living in an interesting time where there's a lot of weirdness going on in the economy, but for some of you diehards that are still messing with their cars and all that, thank you. Thank you for supporting a small business. So let's get right into it. I have just received all these boxes right here. I had actually moved the cars out of the way because the boxes are extremely heavy and I didn't want to accidentally drop anything on any of the cars, so that's the case in the street, and the Mustang is here. But the wonderful delivery driver FedEx dropped all this off. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what they are. Obviously, there's a little bit of a giveaway right there, what they are, but let's see what else we got. If you couldn't tell, I am sweating. It is about 105 degrees here in Las Vegas and it's 7 o'clock at night, still bright out. But I want to share with you what we got in. So, have a few sets of rotoforms that we have. Two sets are identical. They are the ZMOs in silver. Those are the specs. 19 8.5 plus 45 5x112 for Audi V-Dub, not staggered fitment. And this is the, forget what model it's called. I think it's the LHM. It's a really complicated design. 19 8.5 plus 35 5x112 again. But let me go ahead and open this and show you what they look like. So this is the LHRM wheel, one set of these, and a set of the ZMOs in silver. I actually have two sets of these, but I'm missing one wheel. It's coming right now. So these are the two sets of wheels designs I have on sale. Hit me up if you'd like to order these. I know these are being discontinued, so hard to come by, but I have, again, two sets of ZMOs and a set of LHRMs. Once they're gone, they're gone. And these will be sold at a really good price. So go ahead and just hit me up via DMs or shoot us an email if you're out of state or even local. Go work something out. Oh boy, it's hot. I am sweating. It's really hot in the garage, so I just want to show you again the inventory that we just got in. We have two sets of Rotoform ZMO wheels and one set of LHRMs, both 19 by 8.5. 5x112. The ZMOs are a plus 45 offset. The LHRMs are plus 35. Ideally Audi V-Dub fitment. Now I have other stuff coming in also, so I do need to clean up the garage. I want to say thank you to everybody that's participated in the 4th of July sale for all the Garage Unique products. Definitely do appreciate the business, and I was happy I was able to pass along a savings of some type to all of you. So definitely thank you. We have some other stuff that we're working on. Also wanted to announce, if you haven't seen already on Instagram and Facebook, that the M2 Motoring Ford Fiesta fender flares will be back in stock soon. Right as of right now, the only person that will have them in stock once we get the batch in will be Whoosh Motorsports. As soon as I get them in, gonna quick eyeball QC everything, making sure it's up to my standards and all that, and make sure that there's nothing's damaged from the shipment. Then from there, Ron from Whoosh, as if you know him, really good guy, he will be shipping out all the orders. He has quite a few pre-orders already. Our first batch that we're bringing in is almost sold out, so if you're looking for anything, please contact him and pre-order right away. I'm expecting an end of July arrival and release to Ron, and he will ship within a few days. He just needs to box it up and go through his paperwork, his process of getting parts out, and he'll be just going at it. So definitely appreciate everybody that's been pre-ordering, and if you have any questions about the fender flares, definitely shoot me an email, or you can contact us on social media, but email is the best way. Sometimes social, I don't know what's going on Instagram. I've had a few customers DMs come in, but they don't show up in my inbox until 2 to 3 weeks later. It's kind of weird. I apologize for anybody who I've been going back and forth with over that. Don't know what Instagram's doing. I check different filters and it doesn't show up. It's just Instagram's delaying it. Don't know why, but it is what it is. But the easiest way to get a hold of us is at the email right over there. But yeah, I don't know how many sets Ron has left that's unaccounted for, but I know majority of it's already pre-sold, and everybody's been contacting me. I tell them, hey, just contact Ron over at Whoosh and he'll get you taken care of. But yeah, that pretty much concludes today's episode and unboxing. Thanks again for watching. I definitely do appreciate all of you out there supporting the channel. Thanks again. See you on the next episode.